We are assembling the secondary chisel. Screw all the way down until it stops, then back off one full turn. Make sure it drops down. Make sure you have a little bit of play in it. Next we'll go to the cylinder. You have the cylinder. We're splitting a 1 3/8 inch nut. Right there we have the 1 3/8 inch spacer. We have the chisel holder along with the chisel. Securing it down. Making sure that it turns, it doesn't fall out. We're putting the chisel on top of the chisel holder on top of the spacer, which is on top of the cylinder, and we're securing it down now. We're extending the cylinder. The reason why we extend the cylinder, because it'll make it a lot easier putting the housing on. Screwing the housing down onto the cylinder. The correct calibration for this is that you'll be screwing this all the way down. Screw the housing all the way down till it stops, and back off 1/4 turn. Backing off the 1/4 turn now. We're securing the housing to the cylinder using a set screw and an Allen wrench. Using the pump, we'll bring the cylinder down. We're using a lubricant. In this case, we're using Fast Torque AG. This will reduce the friction from the chisel to the nut. We are using AG on both chisels. We have the chisel on the nut splitter in place, making sure that the two chisels are hitting center of the nuts. The two pops you heard was the nuts going through the chisels. There it goes. And there's the nut split in half.